Forge a deeper connection. The two pillars of a stronger relationship.
You want more from your relationship. More passion, more understanding, more us. The path isn't found in grand, occasional gestures, but in the consistent daily practice of two fundamental pillars: intentional attention and radical teamwork. First, master the art of attention. Look up. Put down the phone. True connection thrives in uninterrupted space. Listen not to reply, but to understand the world behind your partner's words. Remember, intimacy is built in the small moments: a knowing glance, a hand on the shoulder, a shared laugh at a private joke. Choose to see them, truly see them, every single day. This active engagement is the oxygen of desire.
Second, shift from me to we. Stop keeping score. A relationship is not a battle to be won, but a partnership to be nurtured. Approach conflicts as allies tackling a problem, not opponents fighting each other. Say, we have a problem, instead of, you are the problem. This simple linguistic shift changes everything. Support each other's individual growth, knowing that a stronger partner makes a stronger team. The spark doesn't just reignite itself. You must be the one to strike the match. Choose attention over distraction. Choose partnership over pride. The strongest love isn't found, it's built. Start building yours today. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel.